Graham here from Dispatch Plumbing. Huge thank you to Pro West Sales and Riabel for their technical support and for their design layout setup for this shower we did here. We've got two functions, two shower valves, two-person shower. We've got option one, does the rain shower head. We've got the combination for the slide bar, or we have just the slide bar. I prefer the rain shower. We've got the temperature adjustment here that stays set wherever you like it, so you don't have to adjust it. And we've got the second slide bar option here, or we've got the body jet combination, or you go this way for just the body jets. I prefer to do the rain shower, and the body jets is the best for the amount of water that I like in the shower, but to each their own, right? You can also go with all four options at the same time. Some people like that too. And then to finish it off here, we've got the linear shower drain. Another nice feature. So, thanks a lot. Have a great day.